So today I'm doing something totally different. I'm gonna do a review on this pizza I got from 7-Eleven. It's a barbecue chicken. Looks like maybe some bacon is on there or something. Check it out. Looked pretty good. I just took it out the oven. Cheese is nicely melted. Looks pretty good. All right, so let's just jump right into it. Now, I've had some barbecue pizzas before. You know, that's not bacon. It was red onion. Yeah. Just for good measure, let me try it one more time. Excuse me, I forgot napkins, so. 1 out of 10? I'll give it like a 3. It's not really crispy. The crust, I don't know. It's a little. That was like one little. I don't know. It's just not. And then check that out. Like, all that flour on there. All that flour on there. I'm gonna eat it though, cause I'm hungry. Damn. Yeah. You know I got flour on my lips. So let me gotta step it up. Alright, that's my review. 7-Eleven. Stick to like the hot dogs and corn dogs and what they call them, tornadoes and Slurpees. The pizza game is not. Nah. Y'all stick to what y'all been doing. All right, I'm out.